Hello everybody, this is 25. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop. The current Photoshop I have is Adobe Photoshop CC. Yes, it's a few years old, but it's okay. It still works. It does the job that you needed to do. So let's go over the interface, see what everything is and what it does. So up here is the toolbar. That's where you use tools to fix the image or to copy an image or to crop an image. A lot of information on these on different things. All you do is move your mouse over it. It should tell you what it does. It's supposed to. Lasso tool, crop tool, spot healing brush. Clone tool is another video for itself. It's very useful. I use it all the time for my videos. For my video thumbnails. I'll show you how it works in the next video. The eraser tool, the blur tool. I never use that. Only for if you're editing pictures. You can remove the blur or add blur to it. Now here is the pen tool. I never used these because you don't need to. Zoom in tool is very handy. Rectangle. This is the one that adds shapes to your image. It helps it with thumbnails as well. Text tool is I use all the time. There's a lot. All the arrows on the bottom of them. They have different more tools on there, so you can do a lot with the tool just by itself. Here is a quick selection tool. It's very useful for copying other things. Eyedropper tools and match colors. So once you text or anything, use that, and it should match the exact color of the picture. Supposed to. The paint bucket tools that fill the screen with a different color. So it's pretty basic really for the tools. Here's your color pattern here. You can go back to black and white or blue and white, up to you. Just click it and it shows which one for your foreground and background, which is very important to know. Now I've set blue because it's my text for my YouTube video thumbnails. That's what I use that for. But you can choose any color you want, and it has all the numbers here, and you can add the swatches. It's very in-depth just by that. So this is just a basic video for right now. I'm really making more of these because people don't know how to use Photoshop. And Photoshop is pretty easy once you get to know everything. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you enjoy this video and have a wonderful day. See ya.